The objective of the demo is how to clear the plaques and bring down the blood pressure and maintain and control our blood pressure. Those plaques that must keep growing in our artery because of the cholesterol, bad cholesterol in our system, how do we clear them away? If you buy any electronics, inside a pack to protect the electronics, you have what I'm holding here. It's from polystyrene. And we're going to use this in place of the plaques because we can't go doing surgery to bring out the plaques. But let's find out how to clear these plaques every day to normalize our blood pressure. Because science has found out that to clear the plaques, fish oil that contains quality omega-3 can do the work. I put warm water in the glass here. That is it. Warm water in another glass. That is it. Why are we using this? One, those plaques are formed from cholesterol oil mixed with oxygen in the blood. Two, this one is from petroleum oil bubbled into oxygen in the lab. They have the same properties. So I'm going to put some in here so that we can see very clearly. Look at it. Very good. Fish oil that contains quality omega-3 can clear these plaques from our system. Here I have two different fish oils. This is one. Not all fish oil can do this job. It has to be valuable quality fish oil. Now I have another fish oil here. The company name kept intact. That is the fish oil. Warm water in the glass. And then from polystyrene, these floaters, put in the warm water. And then take your fish oil, like I'm going to do right now. Look at it quickly. That is it. You see the sample of the fish oil. This is Arctic Sea, Forever Arctic Sea. Look at it. I just drop the oil in the water. The next glass, I'm going to take one of this and drop in the water. Look at that. That's the oil that I drop in there. Okay. There you are. There you are. So this is it. Wash it carefully. The same thing you do. The fish oil, I could clear away these floaters. That also will clear away the plaques in our arteries. And that brings down the blood pressure because the passage that was blocked, that created pressure, is now opened up. It's like a drainage system that is blocked. What do? We shovel out the rubbish to allow water to drain again. Take a look at this. See all the floaters in there is gone completely in less than a few seconds. What about this? You can see everything is still intact. All animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. That is the summary. To let you know that if you must get rid of the fish oil is important to clear the plaques. Maybe one may have thought that this was by mistake. So I add more floaters so that you can see whether it was by mistake. Look at it. Is it gone again? It's gone again. And I keep adding more for you to be sure that it was not by mistake. Look at it. Is it going? Is it going? It's gone again. And look at it to remain like that. Maybe this was not powerful enough. If we decide to even add more, a second capsule to this, I bet you the next 25 years, nothing will make it go. So there are fish oils, but what accounts for the difference? This is Arctic fish oil from cold water. Fishes there accumulate high quality omega-3. And what you're observing here is the power of synergy. Omega-3 combined with omega-9 from olive oil, combined in the signature of a company that makes no other able to achieve this. This is super omega-3.